Hello, my lovely attractive subscribers. I would really appreciate if you will click on the button below and subscribe below. Thank you. Now let us go to our first contestant. Now let us meet our first contestant. Hello, miss. Good evening. Good evening, too. May I ask you 6 simple questions? Yes, you may, of course. Number 1. What is your name? My name is Renica Marie Shao Fernandez. How old are you? I am 8 years old. What is your favorite event? Christmas. Why do you like that event? I like that event because you can play games with the snow, like throwing snowballs to each other, making snowmen, skating, and making snow angels. And I also like it because there are presents, Christmas trees, Christmas signs, and everything. And I also like it because I want to try to see Saint Nicholas, or as they call him, Santa Claus. That is why. What is your favorite hobby? My favorite hobbies are swimming, designing, and dancing. Why? I like swimming because you can learn how to swim. And also, if somebody's drowning, I can save them. And if the boat sinks, I can swim to shore. And I also like designing because I can have a job, design my own clothes, earn money, and save money. And I like dancing because of the graceful dances like hip hop and ballet. Last question. Why? What is your favorite color and why? I like blue because of the bluish accent, and it's also the color of the sky, water, and it's also the color of ice. That is why. Well, we are done here now. Bye bye. Thank you very much, Miss Renica. You may go.